This is my finished saltfish. Look at all the nice colors in there, the colors of the carrots and the peppers and the tomatoes. It's just really, really delicious. Hi everyone, I'm making some saltfish. So right now I'm boiling my saltfish in some water. I drain the water and now I'm just shredding the saltfish with a fork. Once that's done, I put a pot on the stove and I just heated up the pot and I added some olive oil. You can use whatever oil that you desire. So now I'm just gonna take my vegetables and just saute them. I like my vegetables sauteed. Some people just take the hot oil and pour it over the vegetables. I just like it this way. So I'm sauteing all of my vegetables. I have peppers, onions, tomatoes, carrots, and some hot pepper also in there. As you know, the hot pepper is always optional. I just like, you know, spicy everything, so I always add like some habanero peppers. So once this is fried for about 3 minutes, I'm going to add in the saltfish. Now I like to season up my saltfish, so I add a little extra, add some green seasoning to my saltfish. I add ketchup to my saltfish. So, you know, those are optional. It's up to you if you want to do that, but this is just the way I like to make my saltfish. So I'm adding in some green seasoning to it. Now some people season up their saltfish, they add more salt to the saltfish, they wash the saltfish, then they add salt to it, which is not really something that I do. I just rinse off enough salt where it wouldn't be too salty, but I leave the salt in there because I just like that natural salt in there. I don't like adding salt. So I just added in some ketchup and now I'm going to just stir it all up, and my saltfish is pretty much done. After 3 minutes, this is done. So I'm going to eat this with some dumplings. You could also eat it with bake. You can make fry bake, you can make roast bake. I made a roast bake in the air fryer, so that's what I'm gonna eat it with, and I'm also gonna leave back some and eat it with some dumplings. So it's all up to you. Some people eat it just like that if they don't want to take in all the carbs, but you know, it's all up to you. So this is my finished saltfish. It was so delicious. The salt was good enough. I didn't have to add any salt or anything. And this is my roast bake, air fryer roast bake. Now the recipe for that is in the description, the link. I'll leave it there for you. And please like, subscribe, and share this video. And always remember, my food is cooked with passion and served with love. God bless. Bye.